What happens when a child gets everything without effort? Long ago, in a peaceful village surrounded by golden fields and whispering trees, lived a respected merchant named Devraj. Everyone admired him, not just for his wealth, but for the honesty and hard work with which he built his fortune. He had a son, Arjun, who grew up surrounded by comfort. Every wish he had was fulfilled even before he voiced it. Soft cushions, sweet dishes, new clothes, life came to him too easily. Because of this, Arjun never understood the sweat behind success. Devraj watched silently. He loved his son deeply, but he feared something. If life ever tests him, Arjun won't know how to stand on his own. One morning, Devraj gathered the family and announced calmly, "From today, Arjun will eat only with the money he earns himself. No one in this house is allowed to help him." The whole family gasped, but Devraj's eyes were firm. At first, Arjun laughed it off. He borrowed coins from his cousins, his friends, even the shopkeeper he barely knew. But every time he brought the money home, Devraj would simply say, "Throw it into the well and then you may eat." Confused, Arjun obeyed. But as days passed, people stopped giving him money. Some joked, "You never worked a day in your life, why should we give you free coins?" Others simply shut their doors. Hungry, embarrassed, and desperate, Arjun wandered through the village until he noticed an old man chopping wood under the hot sun. Seeing Arjun's troubled face, the old man said kindly, "If you are willing to work, I can pay you a few coins." For the first time in his life, Arjun lifted heavy logs, carried buckets of water, and swept the dusty yard. The sun burned his skin, his hands ached, and his legs trembled, but inside him, something new was awakening. By sunset, when the old man dropped a few hard-earned coins into Arjun's palm, Arjun felt a strange pride. Those coins were small, but they felt heavier than gold. He rushed home, tired but smiling. But as soon as Devraj saw the coins, he repeated, "Throw them into the well." This time Arjun froze. His eyes filled with tears. His voice cracked as he said, "Papa, these coins are not like the others. I earned them, with my hands, with my sweat. Please don't ask me to throw them." Devraj's stern face softened. He stepped forward, held Arjun close, and whispered, "My son, this is exactly what I wanted you to feel. Only when you toil for something do you understand its real worth." Arjun cried in his father's arms, not out of pain, but out of understanding. From that day on, Arjun changed. He became responsible, hardworking, and humble. And Devraj knew his son was now ready to face the world, not with fear, but with strength. If parents give everything too easily, children may grow in comfort but not in character. Only effort, struggle, and sweat teach them the true value of life and of their own strength.
If this story touched you, share it with someone who matters. Subscribe for more life-changing lessons.